In the 3.1b version of CounterAct, you can now do additional functionality with relation to extracting daybooks to Excel. So if we go into Sales Ledger and choose the Extract to Excel, I'm just going to choose Invoices. In Transaction, I can choose now to a selected transaction if I choose Cash Invoices, and then I can put in a daybook number and choose a particular daybook that I wanted to choose. But the same is available in the Purchase Ledger. If you go into the Nominal Ledger, you can also do end of day, so Extract to Excel. Again, you can choose transaction type. I just pop a date range in. And I can choose transaction type. And again, I can choose a daybook number if I needed to.